These are brinjal trees, not growing because of this weeds, grasses. You can see the mango tree from this side. Here you find totally grass, totally. So we have to take care of these grasses if anything is to be there. And you can see this is the jamun tree growing straight. We have two numbers of gourds here, rich gourd, so we will take it today. One and this one, number two, beautiful to taste. I have already taken so many. I have shared with friends, family, colleagues. So I have taken these two. You can see here. Actually, I have bought one your banana tree. Tomorrow morning we will be planting it somewhere which is the most damp place. So today I have to decide where I want to. This is one bitter gourd, but we will not take it. We have another one. We have another one there. We will take this one. This one, you can see. This one is a well grown up one. This is the papaya tree, not growing. Although the tree is growing, but the size of papaya is not growing. Somebody told me that these grasses are taking all the intakes of the trees. That's why you can see we have 4 bitter. So many are there, but in these grasses it is not possible to find out all those. I have spread root out here in the grasses. I hope that in another 5-7 days all these grasses, weeds will be cleared, and tomorrow morning I must have to come here to take care of these. Yes, you can see this is the mango tree, new leaves, you can find it out. All these grasses I have sprayed medicines. Let us hope that in October all these places will be again out of these weeds, and we can plan for some. This is turmeric tree, haldi tree. I have sprayed. I can't find any. I just cut these grasses so that stem of these grasses so that it will not grow more. You can find one bitter gourd. Just see the size. I will cut it here. I will take this one also. There are some bitter gourds, but I will not take everything. You can see these weeds here. I can't find any more. Here one bitter gourd is there. Okay, we'll cut this one. So another 2 to the kitty. Perhaps it is 4 or 5 now. Maybe we will search it. Actually, this tree is not bearing fruit. I suppose that's something to do with these grasses. Okay, we will be reviewing this after 6 or 7 days. You can see, you can review it after 6 or 7 days. There is another one, but let it stay there. You can see how this area has developed into a jungle, but slowly we'll work on it and we'll make it a beautiful place. Bye for now. We'll see tomorrow morning. A lot of work has to be done. So it is almost night. It's peeping at. We can end it here. Banana tree planted today. You can see. Let us hope that it will give fruits in another 1 year. It is a very damp area, moisture area. That's why it is selected. You can see today treatment is being done in the root. Hope that it will be growing healthier. As before, you can see mango tree treatment is being done everywhere. You can see that is papaya tree. Here also treatment is being done. Let us hope that it will give good fruits in some day after. Just see, the papaya will witness the growth or decline. Let us hope that it will grow. That mango tree, beautiful. As always, darling, this is a jamun tree. This is the lemon tree. A neem tree planted on the roadside. Second one for the current year. Ashish is doing all the formalities. A neem tree, roadside. Threads from cows, but we will be having some defense against that. You can see. Let me show you my mango tree. New leaves have come. You can see some treatments were being done on the root before 8 days. Sorry. The new leaves looking like a queen, standing tall and beautiful. These are new leaves coming. Perhaps now it is 7 feet tall. It will complete 3 years in this Dussehra. You can see, you can find guavas, big size guavas, so many guavas. The tree has produced guavas, almost 15-20 guavas are now there. It will grow. This is the grass was like that, this big, 3 foot 4 feet tall, but after spraying and the grass drying, I have burnt it by utilizing little bit of kerosene oil. You can see all these areas are burned, half dry, so you can see patches of burning. Perhaps now papaya will grow as grass. The bottom is uprooted. The tree will get maximum nutrition. Today I have sprayed this area. The effect is very slow, but it is working. You can see my mango queen. She is standing and growing, just giving pleasant scene to my eyes. You can see banana, sorry, guava here. Some guava. Another 3-4 days we'll pluck it. This is brinjal tree. You can see lemon tree just behind. Little bit of treatment is required. One bitter gourd is there. No point keeping here. We'll pluck it. We'll pluck it. So soft that it is divided into pieces just by pulling it. This is the banana tree. Treatments are being done. You can see, you can find that today a lot of weeds are burnt. So you can find the jamun trees there. All the trunks are blooming with new leaves. I hope in another 1 month, say it is in October, the tree will be 10 feet high. Papaya, not so healthy, but the tree was appearing very healthy when it was planted. I expected that healthy papaya